Dear all, I'm Jiang Mang from Vultus. We are a technical company in precision farming by utilizing remote sensing means. We provide information about the crop status and give recommendations for fertilization based on our analysis with remote sensing and machine learning. Traditional farming practices are mainly carried out by humans. As indicated in this photo, people use buckets to carry the water for irrigation. It might be okay if the farm size is small, for example, 0.5 or 1 hectare. However, what will it happen if the farm is too large? For example, this photo. The farmer may have many farms and spread out here and there. If the farmer does all the irrigation himself or hire someone to do it, that will be labor-intensive and costly. Moreover, it is common that for agricultural management systems, many practices are required. Besides irrigation, we might have to do the pesticides, fungicides, as well as fertilization during the crop growth period. If all this work should be done by humans, that would be too much. Furthermore, the field has spatial variety. For example, some parts of the field tend to be drier than other parts. Then, we need to treat them differently. How to observe this? A common way is to go to the field, take samples, then analyze them in laboratory. However, it doesn't work for large farms. Some researchers and technicians started to propose a solution. They use the UAV to take the measurements for the field. Then, based on the UAV analysis, they will do the application either via UAV again or via tractor. It's cool that UAV can do many things precisely. However, they always require a lot of money. Unluckily, agriculture is a low profitable industry and farmers only have limited money. They would like to have some services which are cheaper or nearly no payment. How to deal with it? We started to think of the satellite observations. As many missions have been launched by ESA and NASA, plenty of satellite observations are available. We would like to utilize them. As you can see in this picture, satellites can observe different aspects of the ground by sending signals from different bands. Different objects have different reflections over the bands, just like we look at objects from different angles. This figure shows the various reflection curves of soil, vegetation, and water. It can be seen that vegetation has a few peaks for reflections over the bands. Furthermore, how can we distinguish healthy and unhealthy vegetation? As indicated in this figure, the healthy vegetation has a higher reflectance than unhealthy ones in the near-infrared region, where unhealthy vegetation has higher reflectance than healthy vegetation in visible range. With the methodology provided, how does our pipeline work? Starting from satellite sources, we do the image processing and calculate the information in various bands. Then, we store it in an API which can be accessed by farming platform. Besides API, we also generate a friendly user interface which is easy to be used. Here's a link, and you can just register with your email and explore the service freely. Currently, you can use it with unlimited time when the size is up to 500 hectares. To begin with, you can draw your farmland over the globe and select your own crop type, which is indicated in the upper image. It takes a few minutes to generate your field for the first time. Once the field is generated, you are able to carry out further analysis from Vultus, which includes plant health, nitrogen prescription, soil organic carbon. Here, we show the basic services from Vultus in the upper panel. The time series of plant health is indicated. Farmers are able to see how the crop changes during the period and how it varies over different parts. Moreover, in the lower panel, the nitrogen recommendation is provided accordingly. Besides, soil organic carbon, or SOC, is also provided in our services. Furthermore, we are going to provide more services, including soil monitor, leaf area index, etc. Thanks for your attention, and here is the contact information. Please feel free to approach me.